Whenever you hear about bad mind and people confused as to what that is, I'm not confused. Bad mind is the act of just being envious of someone, right? Someone who you perceive doing better than you, so you just want, show that person, say, listen, me not like you or whatever the situation is. People do them things all the time. I don't understand why you should be envious of someone. You know, you can get whatever that person have to. You just have to work at it and deal with what you have to deal with. You no need to be envious. Another thing is when people never have anything good to say about what you're doing, right? Me start up, me look at YouTube, me look at YouTube. Boy, you know if you do that because you're not gonna get nothing out of it. Like that's an act of being bad man. Because at the end of the day, me never really ask you for your opinion. You give your opinion and your two cents. I mean, yeah, everybody have an opinion at the end of the day, but you know, unless me ask for it, don't give me your opinion. You know what I'm saying? So them thing they count as bad mind. When people bad mind and envious, they just don't want to see you do well. They don't want to see you be successful. I think there was a case the other day. Um, Somebody got shot up in Atlanta. This chef, condolences to the family. I think he was I don't remember the guy's name right now, but I know he was opening a Jamaican restaurant. I think it was Chad Dillon. Dillon, it was his last name. Forgive me. I don't really remember the details right now, but in any case, he's trying to set up his Jamaican restaurant, and people just whoever it is just shoot up the man car and you know kill the man right there. So right, his parents are Jamaican, so condolences to his family. Like I said, bad man is a hell of a thing, and I don't know if that was the case here, but it just goes to show you. So sometimes, even when you're successful, so people can still be envious of you. When they perceive you as being successful, you know. But face it, tell you, I try to start up a little thing. Oh, you know, if you do that because you know I get no money night and ray no money. Well, first of all, me never really ask if money night. So me I say, me just a deal with that thing. I like to talk to people. I like the world on a scale, on a big scale. And me say, me like that. So me I put it out there and, me I reach out to my subscribers, them, my fans, them, you know. Oh no, do other things, man, don't. And you have to be you at the end of the day and know what you want to do and know how you're gonna achieve it. Never let people deter you from your dreams and your aspirations. You know, yeah, for real, man. People will try to just deter you because when them really see say you're doing it and you're about to be doing what you say all this time, or you're about to, you just about to just do a next level type stuff. It's like, oh wow, wow, no man, you know. But what can I say? Me don't say it already. So you just have to just be careful of them people there. And let me know one thing. Let me know if me just paranoid and I just saw me stay. But me know so a lot of people out there share the same sentiments, and for real, like you just to live good with people. If you see somebody a go on good, success is a hell of a thing. Congratulate them and wish them well. Because what at the end of the day, what goes around comes around. So if you give good karma, guess what? Yeah, get back that good karma there in a many ways than one. If you issue out bad karma, that'll come back around. I mean, I'm not Hindu, but Them thing that are those fundamental beliefs of life. What you give out is what you get. So just try to be positive and try to give out good energy. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, man. But like me say, like, subscribe, watch the video them. If you have something to say, please leave it in a comment. We'll talk about it. Alright? Catch you next time. Thank you for tuning in though.